I'm Mrs. Impellizzeri, Director of STARBASE Arizona. I work alongside with a fantastic team of instructors, Ms. Fredericks and Mrs. Stratterman. We provide hands-on, minds-on instruction specifically focused on STEM, so science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. We incorporate that in our lessons. Each lesson challenges students with a new mission. We serve several schools in the Tucson area. We've been actively serving students since 2006, and we see about nearly 1,000 students each school year. Recently, as we go through the process of STEM, some of the lessons that students were recently involved in, one being engaging them in the engineering design process. And they learned about each step and how important each step is to the process. One of the cool highlights is the students get to create a prototype. They get to test that prototype out and see if their design is successful or not. If it's not successful, we have the students evaluate what parts of their design really worked well and what parts do they need to improve on. So they have an opportunity to kind of think about that redesign and how that would carry out in a new prototype. One of the highlights with the physics component, that mission allows students to launch rockets, so we take them outside and really get to enjoy that moment. Today, we got to take students on further in the STEM journey and aim towards technology, specifically robotics, so they get to learn the fundamentals of programming and testing it out to see if their robot is actually acting according to the plan that they implemented. We are really excited to continue to work with fifth graders around the Tucson area. It's inspiring for us, and we can't wait to see these future STEM leaders in action.
I think STARBASE is really fun because we get to learn about fun activities that involve the STEM program. STEM involves science, technology, engineering, and math. We did rockets, and when we were outside, we had to pump air into the rocket so you could launch it, and we would see how far it would go up in the sky. And it went pretty far. We did robotics, and we did a little bit of coding to make it work. It was really fun. We did engineering with coding to program it to do the right things, and that was really fun.